overall objective of this 2 days training is to enhance the capacity of the trade information desk officers so that they can effectively and efficiently deliver their duties and responsibilities of serving the small-scale cross-border traders at the borders. The training will provide a platform for sharing experiences by various stakeholders in the implementation of the COMESA simplified trade regime at the project borders. The 2 days training will also serve as a forum for creating awareness on the simplified trade regime, as well as on the regulations on the minimum standards for the treatment of small-scale cross-border traders, and the role that the trade information desk officers need to play in facilitating small-scale cross-border trade at project borders. For the TDOS, as people on the ground, you are a very important link between the Secretariat and the communities that you are serving. We therefore expect you to constantly be aware of developments in the region with regard to issues affecting small-scale cross-border trade, so that you can deal with them at the borders as they arise. My message to you is to ensure you regularly read your terms of reference as you execute your duties. Your focus should be always to assist and facilitate the small-scale cross-border traders as they execute their business. Please remember that the small-scale cross-border traders are business people, and you should take pride in the opportunity of serving those people in our societies. It is also our expectation that the project countries will hold bilateral meetings which should lead in the implementation of the simplified trade regime in the project countries.
I therefore request that we all work together, the TDOs and the member states, all the PIUs, so that we have a common agenda of facilitating small-scale cross-border trade. This training is a follow-up to the earlier one we had, I think early in the year, and it will focus more on the practical elements. We want to ensure that our TDOs have got the practical skills to deal with conflict, basic conflict, to deal with issues that confront the small-scale trader, to assist the small-scale trader do their business, to deal with some of the gender concerns that affect the small-scale traders.
We are hoping that after this training, the TDOs will work better, and we shall share experiences with other countries on how they are managing and come up with the best practices which we can adopt and ensure we implement STR very well, and by the end of the project, with this project, we hope we shall have improved. We shall increase the flow of trade, the volume and the quantities along our borders with the DRC. We shall minimize on the time of crossing the border, and hence enhance trade so that our traders can benefit.
De nous appuyer davantage, comme il a fait pour les postes frontaliers que nous partageons avec le Rwanda. Il en soit de même pour les restes des postes frontaliers, notamment les postes frontaliers avec le Rwanda, pour lesquels nous n'avons pas encore avancé. Comme vous le savez, avec le Rwanda, nous sommes déjà au niveau du comité mixte de facilitation du commerce transfrontalier. Et nous avons même eu à mettre en œuvre partiellement un certain nombre de produits qui l'ont traversé sans beaucoup de difficultés. Et là, il s'agit de produits du club. Nous pensons qu'à travers ces réunions, ou à partir de cette rencontre, nous pouvons peut-être l'outiller davantage pour voir quels sont les éléments qui peuvent être pris en compte afin de faciliter davantage le commerce transfrontalier.